Yo, what up, it's your boy, Mr. Lexx, swag that nigga, swiggity dag, you know what I mean? Famous People TV, keep it locked right here where you see all the famous people like we. Swiggity dag, I'm Mr. Lexx, wicked! Representing for who? Dancehall Connect. Connect, y'all. Yo, swag that nigga for girls, them. Bossa bossa wine, bossa bossa wine, bossa wine, bossa bossa wine, bossa bossa wine. Bossa bossa wine, bossa bossa wine, bossa wine, bossa bossa wine, bossa bossa wine. Bossa bossa wine. The girl must shake like jello. Listen to pump and everything sound mellow. All up in the club but we a pop champello. Girls be like, damn, he's a cute little fellow. Me I watch them and they know. So try tell the one in the pink and the one in the yellow. So me and Lexx Perry say hello. So I dig it.
Yeah man, at the Lexx. Seeing Mr. Lexx,
yes.
Formerly known as
Mr. Lexx.
You know,
formerly known as.
For them who don't remember, I don't know.
Now the Lexxus again. Mr. Lexx is it.
Yeah, that lie. So what's the whole thing between that? Done with the Lexxus thing.
You know, well, you don't know. Toyota company hit you up with a 4-page letter start. So I put us back up the seat and all that. Don't know them how defend them things. So you know they were like. I'm good with Mr. Lexx, but I can't use Lexxus or Mr. Lexxus no more. So let's drop that and put on with Mr. Lexx and let's move on.
So you feel like that have anything to do with your mainstream popularity? Because look at the reggae artist, you tell me Lexxus company.
For real. When I'm sitting on Penny, I said, damn, you know you have to go hard for people like them to reach out to you. And I said, and it's crazy though, but. You know what? Let's go and do the work, is what I'm saying?
So for some people who might not still be familiar with Mr. Lexx, you know what I mean? You might give them something, but just bring them back to the time when you saw his face locked.
Y'all don't know me, remember me? Remember this? Woman, you better can't cook. Think you have to look, you want to live a restaurant and come down, my bank book. Cook, recipe book. Go on in a dick now. Make a child in a day. How she want to eat me start attack. Then she have the nurse who want come check me back. No. Bunks a girl like a you girl. Bunks a girl can't. No, sing. Take me now, old man again, girl. Stay it in now, old man again, girl. You say your money now, old man again, girl. No, sing this. Tell a girl for us. Walk up in a DVD cause you're cute, girl. Talk up in a DVD cause you're cute, girl. Your body good and you have a new. Yo, I could go on and on, yo. It's for days. Come and dance all on a hype. And don't even about 50 buy a Sprite, girl. You have your money, then take the video light. Enough of them don't know what them are reach out. Like it's after, you know we do that. Them call it full on jet. But me say the style name again now. Full on jet. Everything we do, we are give them full on jet. First time record the name, girl, living at your own home. I don't have no problem, own a home. Can even so it's a long time represent the girl, living at your own home. Don't have no problem, own a home. Can even invite a boyfriend. I'm produced by Natural Bridge Records. Can't forget that. I did songs already where people write for me fully, but me never have a major hit where somebody write for me yet. All of my major hit them and me write them. So I said, well, me do song for what people write already still nice. I said, but me never really get a major hit or somebody write it.
Can you name the hits that you wrote for yourself?
All of the hits I have me write. Walk up in the video. All of the girls with them on taxi fare. Me and Vegas write that. Bunks a girl, close on your problem. Yo, you name it. Video light, me write that. Yo, just name it and go down.
You know, video light, one of the craziest. Every girl want to walk out in a video light. So you feel still about the response for that song?
Yo, it's amazing, yo. When I'm going to the party, I'm see them still. It's like wow, you know, it's wow.
Yeah, what things now that you, as transformed as an artist, that you feel are gonna make you stand out about the rest of them now?
One, my voice. You know, people know my voice from 10 miles away. You know what I'm saying? Two, performance. You know, my performance stand out. You know, I always try to put on a good show. And three, I just my distinctive personality. You know what I say? Like, you know, I'm a happy person and I make people feel happy. And you know, that's just how we live life and approach life.
How you feel on dancehall music as a whole right now? Like,
yo, you know what? With each generation, everything changed because it's the evolution, and you know, it's always evolving. You see what I say? So, more time, and every generation see things the way the last generation saw it. And sometimes they always change and put them things, and you know, them kids nowadays, them have the thing with them like. We probably not like that, but you know, 4 million, 5 million kids can be wrong, you know what I'm saying? Just like I'm gonna hear some people say, Soulja Boy is not a bad rapper, but 4 or 5 million look up in the can wrong, you see what I'm saying? So he must be doing something good. And so right now, dancehall is at a stage where it is evolving and it is changing now, and we have to just make the best side, you see what I'm saying? I'm happy with where it is now because I get more play on live on real TV like BET, MTV, the VH1 them, you know, I get more, you know what I'm saying, performance in the stadium and them thing there. So it is at a point where right now you just need a next person to come take it to the level there, you see what I'm saying? And that's where I come in.
You were saying that dancehall music is more on a mainstream, coming to a mainstream level now. What do you think about you are the artist that plays a lot in dancehall music, and they got artists like Sean Paul, they feel like they go pop, and then they feel like they can't really get played in the street like that. What do you think about that kind of transition?
Yo, it's like, I want to go pop.
That's where the money is.
And it's the next level. I did dancehall all my life.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Even right now, I have songs from 99, 2000, we still play. You know, and I've conquered that. So I want to take my thing to next. No, dancehall people, they accept. Them funny, you see what I'm saying? And Sean Paul, them get played on the dancehall, yes. You see what I'm saying? But it's like they treat Sean Paul as a rapper. Like, you know, they will play a rapper their music, but the hardcore dancehall them. So Sean Paul come in, you see what I'm saying? But no doubt, him are the biggest thing. No doubt, no question, Sean Paul are the biggest thing right now. No question about that. You see what I'm saying? The biggest thing. But I just Jamaican people funny, and you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but alright, here we say with that.
Because to me, if you ask me what the biggest artist right now, I can easily say Sean Paul.
Alright, you say Sean Paul are the biggest artist, whereas mainstream and money-wise, you talk in the dancehall now, because you know the street still run dancehall.
In the dancehall right now, the biggest artist in the dancehall would have to be Benieman.
Benieman?
He's a nice car. Yeah, there my father, and there's a cartel and everything, but the music is, for them music does go, like, it need a little crossover thing to, you see me I say? Because, you know, the American market don't understand what we're saying. So to sit and listen exactly for like days to find out the rest of them, not really have time for that. So we gotta make things a little bit easier for them. So when we was about to do the hardcore thing, we in a Jamaican and the dancehall, we understand that and also the baddest lyrics and the baddest flow and the baddest style and everything. But to the average Yankee person, they don't really have time for that. Them listen to the bass line, as I say. But surely my father do well, no doubt. No question about that. He do pretty well. Surely Cartel do pretty well, but that thing that is still not there yet. Isn't it? I think they're still not there yet.
And you know what? Hearing that from artists like you say Mr. Lexx for a man, and that's how he plays the lap. You know what I mean? To a man that come back out now, all the time on mainstream with Major Lazor.
Yeah.
Whereas, you want to speak about that? Like,
yeah, well, yeah, big up the Major Lazor, Diplo, Switch, Santigold, everybody on that thing there, isn't it? The Major Lazor did pretty well. He got nominated for Best Breakthrough Video at the VMAs. You know, that's crazy, you know what I say? That's really a good look. So right now it's like that's on the level that we want to keep the thing and, you know, maintain. We have a new song on there, Bossa Wine. And
I can tell you one thing, the video
man, so I chip on a little small refix and I do on Chris Brown with the name Transformer. And you know, we put it together and thing, and the video look nice and thing, and it's going pretty well. So we're there to promote that. The next thing we're going to promote now is a single produced by Esco on Lunatic Rhythm and Wine for me that we're going to move it. So I just like the music that I'm right now, directly aim mainstream. You understand the message? So that's my focus right now. Mainstream. They need a next Sean Paul, they need a next person to step up like what Sean Paul did. You see me I say? Well, one more thing I want to mention I'm really pretty much excited about right now is a mixtape. We're almost done now. It's a go mad. Mixtape name Lexicon. Spelled Lexicon. Now if you look it up, as a matter of fact, I'm not going to tell you now, just look it up. But a Lexicon is the name. It's crazy. I like it because we can split up into two and say Lex and Icon. You see me I say? And I got the name from one of my Twitter friends, I post it up on Twitter, say, hey, me in the studio, I make a mixtape, I need a name. And after scrolling through hundreds of tweets, I come up, so big up Tish Fearless. She gave me lexicon and I liked it. I looked it up and you know it fit my meaning, fit my personality and things. So I tell them go look it up. And y'all follow me on Twitter at Mr. Lexx at MRLEXX. Follow me. Swag back biggie. And look out for the mixtape, it'll come, yo, it'll go mad. It'll go mad. I have to tell them more. Ladies, you don't know my style. I mean, me gonna broke wild, right? You don't know my style, right? I'm coming at you now. Me fi tell you now.
My name is Mr. Lexx, and I'm from out the view. Hello to who don't know me, hi to those who do. Big up Telly ranks, and my God that is true. When them give me the mic, them never tell me what to do. So I just do my thing from 1992, 99 the gate open and I fly right through. Now it's 2010 and I'm feeling brand new. Watch the hate of them I go vex till them blue. Enough of who no DJ still sound like last year. The game need change and I'm the freaking cashier. You know when me at them look up fool they can't glimpse me. Furthermore, cartel are the baddest thing since me. Furthermore, cartel are the baddest thing since me.